Hi everybody, I'm Amanda Finks. Welcome to another episode of Easy Recipes, where I show you how to make a simple recipe that your whole family will love. Today I'm making the best classic chili. This classic chili recipe is full of ground beef, beans, and the perfect blend of chili spices. If you're anything like me, you probably started making chili with those little packets of chili seasoning. Some of those packets can be pretty good, but not great. For this recipe, we're going to use our own simple blend of chili seasonings. Let's get started. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a large soup pot and place it over medium-high heat for 2 minutes. Add a diced yellow onion and let it cook for 5 minutes. Add 1 pound of 90% lean ground beef to the pot, break it apart with a wooden spoon, and cook it for 6 to 7 minutes until the beef is browned. Now we'll start adding all of our chili seasonings into the pot. Add 2.5 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of ground cumin, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, a half teaspoon of pepper. Give this a stir until it's well combined and there aren't any large clumps of tomato paste. Next we'll add some liquids and some beans to the pot. Add 1.5 cups of beef broth, a 15-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes with their juice, a 16-ounce can of red kidney beans that have been drained and rinsed, and an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Give it a good stir. Bring the liquid to a low boil, then reduce the heat to low to medium-low so that the chili can gently simmer. Simmer uncovered for 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. Let the chili rest for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. I like to serve my chili with a little bit of sour cream and shredded cheddar cheese. This chili has fantastic flavor and it's just the right consistency, so it's not too thick and it's not too thin. Give this recipe a try, I'm sure you're gonna love it. Be sure to follow me to catch the next episode of Easy Recipes. Thanks for watching.